Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HS01 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected before proceeding. Now, let's remove the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover away from the main body of the hairdryer. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside. A soft cloth is perfect for this task. Regular cleaning helps maintain your device and can improve performance. Next, we will locate the motor. It should be clearly visible once the back cover is removed. Carefully disconnect the motor's wiring harness. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Take your time here to avoid damaging any components. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Depending on the model, you might find 2 or 3 screws holding it down. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the motor out. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable proceeding, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and provide guidance. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new motor in place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's seated correctly and doesn't wobble. Next, reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor. Ensure that the connection is firm and secure. Once that's done, you're almost finished. Now, before reassembling, it's a good idea to perform a quick test. Plug in your Dyson HS01 and turn it on. If the motor runs smoothly, you're ready to put the back cover back on. If you encounter any issues, or if you prefer to skip this step, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel required. Carefully align the back cover with the main body and reinsert the screws. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can damage the cover. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your Dyson HS01 with a clean cloth. This will help keep it looking new. Remember, regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your device. If you need a quote before repair or any further assistance, feel free to reach out. We're here to help ensure your Dyson HS01 continues to perform at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.